In front of me is HUAWEI Mate 40 Pro 5G, and let me show you how to adjust colors on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach the settings, then find and select System and Updates, and here you've got developer options. If you cannot find developer mode right here, smoothly take a look at our tutorial on how to unlock developer options. And here you just have to locate simulate color space right here, mark it, and now you can change it. So you've got the Monochromacy, then red-green, but with different filch, and then you've got also blue-yellow, and you can see the difference even in those buttons right here. But I will now go back to the default setup. But basically this is it. This is how you can switch the modes smoothly by tapping, not here, right here, and you can change it whenever you want to. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.